Airstream installed our shims when we took our unit back for service. You can see they just put a white plastic block under there. They replaced this rubber trailing piece, and then they just stuck a white plastic box in the corner. The material is just a cut piece of plastic. Basically looks the same as your standard kitchen cutting board. You could probably take a piece of your cutting board and just cut it, because it sure looks like the same stuff. Then you just take a piece of VHB tape, very high bond tape. It's 3M, it's sold at hardware stores. It's also on Amazon. It says VHB tape made by 3M. It has a red backer. It's extremely high, sticky, double-sided tape. You just stick it there. They actually added this one as a little bit of a slant up, so that when the door closes, it drags up and pushes up like that. And now you have a gap along the bottom with a seal, and it doesn't rip off that seal.